Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M14 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings and then scroll down to almost very bottom to find general management. Now, as you can see at the very bottom, we've got reset option, so let's tap, and the second option is the one we are looking for. Let's tap on reset network settings, and here your device is of course informing you what actually it will reset, so the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. If you're ready, tap on reset settings. Here, if you've got any kind of screen lock set, you have to enter the pattern, PIN or password of course, and tap on reset. As you can see, we've got also the information that this action cannot be undone, and after a second, your device will show you that the network settings have been reset successfully. So basically, that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your Samsung Galaxy M14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.